Paul McCartney may be one of the most celebrated musicians in history, but when it comes to food, his tastes are far humbler than you might imagine. Forget fine dining or meticulously curated diets. His all-time favorite meal is as simple as it gets: a comfort dish straight from his childhood: egg and chips. Growing up in post-war Liverpool during the 1940s and 50s, McCartney was surrounded by hearty, no-frills cooking. Yet even after conquering the world with the Beatles, he never lost his love for this unpretentious pairing. In fact, he openly declared it his #1 dish in the 1974 book, Favorite Foods of the Famous. With a hint of humor, he admitted it might not impress a gourmet chef, but insisted nothing made him happier than a plate of golden chips with fried eggs. McCartney even laid out his own recipe, and it was as methodical as it was simple. He suggested a pound of potatoes and 2 eggs per person. First, the potatoes should be peeled, thickly sliced, soaked in cold water, and thoroughly drained. Then, fried slowly until tender, before a second fry at higher heat to make them perfectly crisp. To finish, 2 eggs fried just right, served alongside the chips, a timeless working-class classic. But this wasn't his only nostalgic indulgence. Decades later, in a light-hearted Q&A with his daughter Mary, McCartney was asked about the food that carried the strongest memories from his youth. His answer surprised many: sugar buddies. These were nothing more than slices of bread and butter sprinkled with sugar, a cheap, sweet snack that children in Liverpool adored during the 1950s and 60s. McCartney laughed as he recalled how much he loved them, despite knowing how outrageously unhealthy they were. For today's generation, the idea of a sugar sandwich might sound bizarre, even unthinkable. But for McCartney, both sugar buddies and egg and chips are more than just meals. They are edible memories, a reminder of simpler times, long before fame turned him into a global icon.